Hello students, I'm teacher Kavita here. Okay, for your English lesson today, I want you to refer to your students book, okay, your textbook, English textbook, page 12. So it's story time, Charlie's birthday surprise. Who's Charlie's favorite actor? Listen and read. Okay, siapakah pelakon kegemaran Charlie? Kita nak tengok. It's Saturday morning and Charlie is watching TV. Charlie's favorite actor is on TV. His name is Bruce Chang. Bruce is Chinese. Charlie likes Bruce because he is a good actor and he does karate. Charlie also does karate. Okay. So, apa maksudnya? Bagi yang tak berapa faham, cikgu terangkan balik dalam bahasa Melayu. It's Saturday morning and Charlie is watching TV. Pada pagi hari Sabtu, Charlie sedang menonton TV. Is watching means sedang menonton. Charlie's favorite actor is on TV. Pelakon, actor ialah pelakon. Pelakon kesukaan Charlie ada dalam TV, dalam program yang dia tengok tu. His name is Bruce Chang. Namanya Bruce Chang, nama pelakon tu. Bruce is Chinese. Bruce ialah seorang Cina. Charlie likes Bruce because he is a good actor. Okay, Charlie ni dia suka Bruce sebab dia adalah seorang pelakon yang baik. And he does karate. Dia juga pandai dalam karate. Charlie also does karate. So, Charlie pun dia ada belajar karate lah. Okay. Now we move on. A lady on TV is asking Bruce questions. Do you do karate every day, Bruce? She asks. Yes, I do karate every day after breakfast. Bruce says. I also play football. Sometimes I play table tennis at the weekends. Charlie also plays football. Okay. So, a lady on TV is asking Bruce questions. So, seorang wanita dalam program tu sedang tanya soalan, sedang menemu ramah Bruce. Do you do karate every day, Bruce? So dia tanya, adakah anda melatih karate setiap hari? So wanita tu tanya pada Bruce. Apa yang Bruce jawab? Yes, I do karate every day after breakfast, Bruce says. So Bruce memberitahu yang dia melatih karate setiap hari selepas breakfast. Breakfast artinya sarapan pagi lah. I also play football. So Bruce juga memberitahu dia juga main football, bola sepak. Sometimes I play table tennis at the weekends. Apa maksudnya? Bruce juga main pingpong. Table tennis ialah pingpong. At the weekends, pada hujung minggu dia juga main pingpong, dia kata. Charlie also plays football. So Charlie ni dia latih karate dan juga dia pun suka bola sepak, football. Later that afternoon, Charlie rides his bike to the park. Charlie's friend Reggie and Dean are at the park. Charlie tells his friend about the TV show. Bruce Chang is great, says Charlie. I want to meet him. Okay, so petang tu lepas dia dah tengok program Bruce Chang tu, dia pergi ke park. Dia naik basikal lah. Okay, dia tengah basikal, dia pergi ke taman, ke park. Charlie's friend Reggie and Dean are at the park. So kawan-kawan Charlie, Reggie dan Dean ada di taman tu. Charlie tells his friends about the TV show. So Charlie pun ceritalah pada kawan-kawannya tentang program yang dia telah tengok dalam televisyen tu, tentang Bruce Chang. So dia kata, Bruce Chang is great. Apa maksudnya? Dia kata, Bruce Chang memang hebat lah, dia kata. Says Charlie. I want to meet him. So Charlie kata dia nak jumpa. I want to meet him. Dia nak jumpa Bruce Chang. But Bruce Chang lives in China, says Reggie. Yes, says Charlie. I know. Let's go to China. Reggie and Dean laugh. We can't go to China, says Reggie. Let's play football instead, says Dean. Oh, all right, says Charlie. Okay, so tadi dia katakan dia nak pergi jumpa Bruce Chang. So kawan-kawan dia kata, Reggie kata, but Bruce Chang lives in China. Bruce Chang tinggal di China, negara China. Yes, Charlie kata. Okay, I know. Let's go to China. Dia kata, saya tahu. Marilah kita pergi ke China, dia kata, negara China. Reggie and Dean laugh. Apa maksudnya? Kawan-kawan dia pun ketawa. We can't go to China, says Reggie. Kita tak boleh pergi ke China, dia kata. Let's play football instead, says Dean. Masa tu mana nak dia orang kat taman. So dia kata, baik kita main football aja. Kita main bola sepak. So beritahu kawan dia Dean. Oh, all right, says Charlie. Dia kata, betul juga kata-kata kawan dia kan. Dia kata, okey lah, baik. Mari kita main bola sepak. Okay, now I want you to look at your workbook, Get Smart Plus. Yang ni ialah buku aktiviti ya, buku kerja yang kamu beli daripada kedai buku. Okay, tengok muka surat 8. You look at page 8. Okay, I want you to write the day and date here. I want you to write the day and date here. Today is Tuesday. You write here Tuesday. Okay, and then the date today. Today is 9th February. Okay, 9th February 2021. And then I want you to write, okay, the answers for each questions here. Read the text in the student's book, then read the sentence and write Charlie or Bruce. So kamu kena, kita dah tengok kan cerita tu. So now what they want you to do is they want you to write who did this activity. Like for example, the first one, he is watching TV on Saturday morning. So who was watching TV on Saturday morning? Charlie. So your answers should be either Charlie or Bruce. So you see who did what. Okay, he is a famous actor. Who? Charlie or Bruce? Bruce kan? So you write here Bruce. He does karate every day after breakfast. After breakfast, who does karate every day? Charlie or Bruce? Bruce. So you write here. So I want you to write all the answers here. After that, read and match who said what. Okay, Bruce. What did Bruce say? But Bruce Chang lives in China. I want to meet him. Let's play football instead. Sometimes I play table tennis at the weekend. So who said that? Okay, what did Bruce say? Bruce said, sometimes I play table tennis at the weekend. So you match, you draw a line like this, that Bruce said this. So you see for Charlie, Reggie and Dean, see, read again who said what, and I want you to match. Okay, read and write T for true and F for false. T untuk benar dan F untuk kenyataan yang salah. Bruce Chang dances and sings on TV. Does he dance and sing? No, so it's false. Salah kan? Okay, so in the box here, you just write F because it's false. So you just write F. If it's true, you write T here. Okay, for example, number 2. Okay, we look at question number 2. A man is asking Bruce the question on the TV show. So what's wrong here? A man, supposed to be a woman, is it not? So it is false. So F, you write the F. Okay, now look at page 9. Okay, read and write the nationalities. I am from Malaysia. So they have given you the example. She's Malaysian. Kita boleh letak apostrophe S untuk is. Instead of is, we can put apostrophe S like this. Okay. I am from the US. So how will you write? And see, this is a boy. So he is American. So I want you to write like that. This is apostrophe, yeah? Apostrophe S. Okay. I'm from Mexico. So see, she's a girl. So he or she. She. Okay. She's Mexican. We are from Korea. So two of them. What do you put? They. This will become they. T-H-E-Y. They. Mereka. We pun dua orang. So they. They are from Brazil. So I want you to try that. And then number 2, rewrite the sentences replacing the words in bold with the words in the box. So you can use this. Sally and I are best friends. So bila ada dua, kita, so it's we, dah ada. So dia dah letak. We are best friends. John is 10 years old. So John is a girl or boy? Good. He's a boy. So what do you use here? He. Very good. So he is 10 years old. Okay. The desk is green. Desk ialah objek. Untuk objek or animal ataupun haiwan, kita guna it. It is green. Yang lain saya nak kamu cuba. So I want you to answer page 8, 9 and then page 10. I want you to try page 10. Okay. Berjawab. Okay, yang ni kamu baca dan kamu jawab di sini. And I also want you to answer page 11. Okay, until page 11 I want you to do. Okay, thank you.